All you want to give me answer. All you want to do you know I want you.
Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do, of course, go into the photos and we're gonna select the picture that we're going to edit. So we're going to turn this, as you already know, we're gonna turn that into that, right? You see my foot is gone and the picture is much more vibrant and all that. So yeah, we're gonna come out of photos and we're gonna go into PixArt. I'm telling y'all, do not sleep on PixArt. Ooh. So click that button, that plus button, and then we're gonna click on this, right? Here we go. So we're going to go into tools and we're going to click on clone. So we're going to zoom in, and what this tool does, it basically, you can copy a section of somewhere else and bring it to where you want to. So we're gonna copy right here, and then we're gonna brush our foot. But as you can see, there's this line right here. So you're gonna take the eraser and erase the line so it looks more seamless. And then we're gonna clone again. We're gonna clone another area. And we're gonna do the same thing until our foot is gone. But you have to keep like erasing that little harsh line on the sides, so it's not that obvious that we did all that. All right, so there's that. There's the before, there's the after. Now, obviously, right here is a bit choppy or whatever, but we don't care because we're going to crop it. So we're gonna click apply. Then we're gonna go back to tools and click the crop feature. And I'm just gonna do that 3:4 ratio. And we're just going to crop it right there. So you see, after I've cropped it, voila, it looks like, you know, normal. It doesn't look like my foot was there any at all. And that is that. We're gonna click next and we're gonna save this picture, and we're finished with PixArt. Close. We're finished with PixArt. Now we're going to go into Lightroom and edit this a little bit. So we're going to click this little plus button right at this image sign. Go to camera roll and we're going to select that picture that we just edited. We're going to go into color, and you know, I personally like doing this, so I bring down the temperature a little bit to like that, and then we're going to go into mix, and I'm going to make like the green in the background, like the trees and the water, I'm gonna make it pop. So I'm gonna click that green, going to bring up the hue. You see, bring it down, it gets more yellowish brownish, and you bring it up and it gets more blue, etc. We don't want to bring it all the way up because that looks weird. So bring it like 30, saturation like 8, luminance like 11. I think the luminance kind of makes it like sharp in a way. I still don't exactly know how to explain what this does, but yeah, that's the only thing I really touched in this app. So, you know, if you click on it, you see the difference. That's the before and that's the after. Yeah, and I'm basically finished with this app. Click this arrow looking thing and then click export to camera roll. There we go. Then we're gonna go back into photos. So the picture we just edited, this one right here, and then we're going to edit everything else in here. So when you get to this part, you don't do, well, I don't do too much. You just have to know what you like, what you don't like. For me, I'm just going to bring down the highlights to like 40-ish. And then we're going to play with the saturation. Bring that up, and the vibrance. This is where the magic happens. Bring that to 40. Do you see the difference? Do you see it? Are you seeing the difference right now? Yeah, and that is literally all you need to do. The warmth, you know, you can bring that down a little bit or bring it up depending on the look that you're going for. For this, I think I'm going to stop it at 5. I want 5. Yeah. And there we go. That is it. Of course, I don't think I edited it exactly the same as I did the first time, because this was 2 months ago. I edited this picture 2 months ago. I don't remember exactly what I did, but this is just how I edit my pictures overall. And you can also go back in PicsArt to sharpen it up even more. I do this with almost all my pictures because I feel like details are important. So we're gonna go back into PicsArt, and we're gonna take that picture that we just edited, and we're going to go over to beauty, or is it beautify? I can't remember what I just saw. And we're gonna go scroll over to details, and then we're going to detail all of this because we want this snake print action to pop. We want it to pop. What is the sense of the design if we're not gonna make it pop, girl? Period. I'm extra. I'll literally go into the watch as well. Don't mind the quality of the picture right now. I don't think this is the original. That's why it's so blurry, and then it's going through all these apps. I don't really know what's going on right now. But anyways, then we're gonna go over the necklaces. You know, go up, all of that. And all that, and erase the part where it went onto your skin, because we're not trying to detail the skin, just the jewelry. You see that? That's before and that's after. I also do my earrings just because I feel like I need everything that is shiny or anything like that to pop, okay? And then I'm gonna do one little over my hair, and that's literally all I'm going to do. That's before and that is after, and that is it. That is all I do when I'm editing my pictures, because for some reason the iPhone takes pictures really dull. Like when you're looking at it, you're like, yeah, this looks so nice, but then after you edit it, woo, 0 to 100, child. 0 to 100. The next picture I'm going to show you guys how to edit is this one. We're just going to clean up these little marks on the wall, take away this harshness from the face. I'm kind of looking pale too, you know, I want to look more golden, more bronze. And we're just going to take this picture from 0 to 100, period. So of course we're going back into PicsArt. We're gonna click that plus button again, click the picture, and first things first, we're going to go into, what did I do again? Let's try beautify, and let us try the Blemish Fix. We're going to, hello, no, that's not what we're doing. All right, so I'm zooming in, and we're gonna just, there we go. Make this a little bigger, and we tap on these spots just to get rid of some of them, because I'm just doing the most. They really, okay, no. That's another thing. When you make the size too big, it looks unnatural and the wall starts to look weird. So yeah, just do small. We're not going to fix every single spot in the wall, because who has the time for that? We're just fixing the ones that are very, you know, in your face. Although they're kind of all in your face, but you get what I mean. So we're just gonna do that until I feel like stopping. right, that is it for that. And we're also going to fix some blemishes on our skin. This is the before, this is after. So we're going to click apply, and then we're going to smooth out our skin. Now, you people like to abuse the smooth tool. You don't like to do this. This not look good. Stop it. Stop it. So we're going to go back, and we're going to do this right. Okay? So you need to zoom in. And lightly, like a feather, just go over the skin. Just take your time. You don't need to do the most. I promise you do not need to do the most. And just lightly brush over the areas you want to be smooth. And that is pretty much that. You can go up, you can go down, but we're just gonna leave it at like 40 and click OK. And then you know my favorite, detail. We love detail. So of course, you see how my eye look nice? I have to detail it. We gotta make those eyes pop. By the way, I got my lashes from Shop My Omoy on Instagram. Make sure you go shop. I also got my brow pomade from her. All right, we're not gonna detail that. I got my what am I saying? Brow pomade. We're also going to make some highlight pops. So of course, a little bit on those highlighted areas. Girl for glow. All right, we're not glow too much right there, so yeah, just a little. Right, and then so we're going to click apply, and that is it for the beautify area. So we're gonna apply, and then we're gonna go into effects. I found this filter that was amazing. I hope I can find it back. Oh, here it is. Okay, so this is the one that I used. So what we're gonna do, we're going to go on that, and we're going to click face, because we just want the effect on the face area and the neck, and yeah, so we're going to restore and bring it down to the neck and the chest, basically on my skin. Alright, so that's that, and then we're gonna click OK. But you see how my face is all bronze? We don't want that to look that bronze. This is me before, this is it fully, and we're gonna bring it to like 50. See that? You see that, girl? You see that? You girl? Or you boy? Yeah. Or we can bring it down some more. Yeah. Yeah. You that? Do people call this like blackfishing? Cause I hope not. I hope not. Yeah, of course this edit is not perfect, but you can play around with the fade or whatever, play around with how it looks, all of that. And then we're gonna go into, no, not tools, effects once again, and we're going to go into blur. We're gonna click blur, click that little eraser button, and we're going to click on background, and it blurs the background. And then we're gonna click that OK thingy, and we're going to bring down the blur to like there. That's how I get that portrait effect on almost all of my pictures. So yeah, click apply, and that's pretty much it. Okay, You just do whatever you need to do to make that picture pop. That is it for this video. If you'd like more how I edit my pictures on my phone, then please let me know. And also you can get these apps on Android, so this is not only for iPhones. I don't know if you can get Lightroom on Android though, but you can try. You don't need Lightroom though. You can still do everything with just PixArt. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.